You keep the engine running smooth, you service it on time. But outside and inside, your car is aging fast. I'm talking faded paint, cracked leather, weird smells, and all of it silently kills your resale value. These aren't accidents, they are things you are doing every day without noticing. And if you don't stop them now, your car will look trashed in a few years. Today I will show you what's causing the slow damage and how to stop it before your car loses thousands. Number 1. Smoking in the car, cigarettes and vapes. Cigarettes leave particles that soak into seats, roof lining and carpets. Even the years later, it smells like ashtray the moment someone opens the door. And with vapes, it's not just a clean vapor. It leaves a thin, sticky layer of the glycerin inside of your windows. Over time, it builds up and becomes almost impossible to clean. Both make your car smell weird and feel dirty. And that's a huge red flag for buyers. How to avoid it? Just don't smoke inside, not even with the windows down. The smell stays, and don't let your passengers vape in your car. It may seem harmless, but it shows up later and kills your sale. Number 2. Sun damage. Sunlight is brutal. UV rays slowly burn your car's clear coat. Paint starts to fade inside, dashboards crack, leather dries out, and plastics goes brittle. After a few summers, your car can look 10 years older, even if engine's perfect. How to protect it? Use a proper windshield sunshade, park in the shade, and apply UV protector sprays on the interior every few months. A small habit, big difference. Next, this might seem like minor annoyances, but they're actually tiny acid bombs. Bird droppings, tree sap, and bug guts. It turns out that not everyone knows or understands this. Many drivers leave this on their paint for days, thinking it's just dirt. Actually, big mistake. Bird droppings contains uric acid. Tree sap can be highly corrosive. And insect remains, especially in hot weather, contain acids that eat into your clear coat. When they bake onto your car in the sun, they start to etch the paint, leaving permanent, dull spots or even removing the clear coat entirely. You will see outlines of bird droppings literally burned into the paint. How to fight back? And this is about speed. Clean them off immediately, don't let them sit. Use a quick detailer spray and a soft microfiber cloth. Important notice: never just wipe them dry, you will scratch the paint. Even with just simple water, just do it. Fourth, and this is where most do-it-yourself car washes go wrong: improper washing techniques. You think you are cleaning your car, but that one dirty sponge? It's grinding tiny bits of sand into your paint. Automatic car washes with brushes? Same thing. Swirls, scratches, dull finish. Even the drying towels, if they are cheap, leave marks. How to fight back? Avoid automatic brush washes. If you must use one, go for touchless options. For hand washing, use 2-bucket method. 1 bucket for soapy water, 1 for rinsing your wash mitt. Use a soft microfiber wash mitt, not a sponge, and dry with a clean soft microfiber towel. This simple method dramatically reduces swirl marks and preserves your paint's clarity. Personal story: when I was an owner of Mazda 6, during the year I went to car wash with brushes, always. And I think that these brushes are okay, they are soft and so on. Why I went there? Because it was cheap, it was fast, and it was very handy for me. Like 3 minutes and my car is completely clean. But after a year, when the summer comes, I noticed my paint, some scratches, some dents, And I was really shocked, because for me it was fully understandable that it was after this car wash. And after I noticed this, I just stopped to go there. So don't be me. Number 5. Messy interior. Spills, food and forgetting to clean. Coffee spills, sticky drinks, food grease. It all sinks into the fabric and plastics. Then it bakes in the sun. Smells build up, stains set. Crumbs grind into carpets, leather cracks without care. A buyer gets in and immediately think, this car being neglected. What to do? Clean up spills immediately. Keep a mini trash bin vacuum often. Wipe plastics, condition leather, and if there is a smell, treat it properly. Don't just spray air freshener. And a bonus. Finally, a silent killer overlooked because you don't see it. Road salt, grime and environmental chemicals attacking your car's underbody and lower body panels. This is especially true in regions with harsh winters or salty roads. Road salt that used to melt ice is incredibly corrosive. It gets into every crevice, accelerating rust on your chassis, brake lines, suspension components and exhaust system. This aggressive salt spray also beats up on your lower door sills, rocker panels and wheel arches. It can etch your clear coat, dull your paint, and even start hidden corrosion that spreads outwards. How to fight back? Always rinse the undercarriage and lower panels after winter driving or salty roads. Hit the wheel wells, door jambs and seals with a pressure washer. Add underbody protection and keep a wax or ceramic layer on lower panels. This simple habit can save thousands and protect your car's resale value. Your car's resale value isn't just about the engine. It's how it looks, smells and feels. Found this helpful? Hit like and subscribe for more car advice that save your money.